one of the more iconic Fords from the 50s. Let's check this out. 1957 Ford retractable hardtop. Actually a Fairlane 500 Skyliner. Beautiful looking car. These, of course, had that power hardtop that retracted into the trunk. One of everybody's favorites to see at shows. This particular one was also a coral sand colonial white car to begin with. That'd be a Z code for the coral sand and E code for the colonial white. Powered by a 312 V8 engine. That's what these cars would have came with back in 1957. That's paired with an automatic transmission. Also has power steering. As you can see, the paint on this car, it is a nice shape. It'd call it a nice driver quality paint. Won't be afraid to show this one at any of your local shows, roll-ins, or hey, just how about one of those Sunday afternoons with the top down. Brightwork is in decent shape. You'll find some scuffs, what have you, in some of the chrome. I mean, this car has been driven. It's not a trailer queen. It's get it out on the road, have some fun with it. But overall, nice looking car. Like I said, one of the more iconic ones from the 50s from Ford. Now, if you'd like to check out the still pictures, you can see the underside of this car. You can check out the engine bay, interior. Check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, you click on that link. That's going to take you right to our website and these pictures. You can also call us if you have any questions on this, 507-386-1726. As you can see, riding on the wide whites, and that is new rubber. So tires are good, ready to roll. This is actually traded into us. Came from Texas. Let's take a look at the interior. Kind of a cloth vinyl combination, black and white two-tone. Dash is in nice shape. Still appears to remain pretty much stock. Little aftermarket gauge underneath the dash. That nice looking interior also. Now we do consider trades. Like I said, we did trade this one in from Texas. So we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can sure assist you with getting this car to where you're located at. Take a look at this deck lid in the rear, or trunk lid if you will, where the retractable hardtop goes. Fairlane 500 badging on it. Dual exhaust coming out the back is a nice little rumble to it. Kind of what you'd expect out of a little bit of a 50s hot rod. Again, you can see the chrome's decent back here, not perfect. Again, you'll have a few little scuffs when you get down and look close, but again, I call this a driver quality car. We will fire it up so you can hear it run. I'm going to run the top up for you too, so you can see that in operating order. We'll check out that trunk space. But if you want to check out the still pictures so you can see it with the top up, the undersides, trunk area, engine bay, check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Otherwise, click on the link down below this video in the description. That'll take you right there. Once again, phone number 507-386-1726. Cars look great with the side skirts on there. Again, new rubber all the way around on this car, right in the wide whites. Great look in this classic 50s Ford. All right, as you can see, data tag all intact. VIN number, car does have clean title. Door panels, nice shape. Carpeting, seats. Again, very nice driver quality seats, not full of rips, tears, not going to need a lot of attention. Get in this car, have some fun. Let's go ahead and fire this up here a second. All right, so you want to be in neutral. That's one to start. That 312 starts easily. Like I said, there's a little bit of rumble underneath the hood there. Good sounding car. Now I did notice the fan is blowing, so blower fan does work. And once again, you can see pretty much the dash has been all kept stock. Slip around the back of this. to slip up here to the front. We're going to pop this hood a second and check out the engine bay. And I'm going to grab somebody to help me out a second here too, and we'll run that top up and down for you. So give me a second, get everything ready, and finish this up. All right, got the hood popped. I was going to point this out too. Could use mirror glass right here. A mirror for that. There you go. There's a 312 V8 underneath the hood. See how smooth that runs. Aluminum radiator has been added. Power steering. Looking like a pretty stock 1957 Ford engine bay. And you've seen how easily the car started too. So nice, smooth, nice running engine. Flip around to this other side, and then we'll go back to the rear of it and watch that top go up. Again, don't hear any exhaust leaks. Sounds like a nice, smooth running V8 312 running good. All right, I got help here. Let's go ahead and run this top up so you can see it. It does function. You'll see it in the pictures too that we had the top up in the pictures, ran it back down, so I do the video with it down. But so you know it goes both ways. Just want to show you with it working. How cool would this be to show up at your local car show or roll in? This is always kind of the main attractions with these cars when they show up. FYI, there is your trunk space, storage area when you have the top down. A lot of people, when they display their cars like this, they run the tops a third up, half up, and leave them there. Let's check that out. You know, that folds, everything back there starts to go. Look how nice that is. And down the back goes. Slip around to the back as you can see it finish up here. Look at that. Pretty cool. There you have it. 1957 Ford Fairlane 500 Skyliner retractable hardtop. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. Check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video, click on the link that's going to take you right there. And of course, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist you with getting this car to where you're located at. Look forward to hearing from you on this beauty.